Today I will talk about sexual mode of reproduction in algae. Algae sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction required formation of the gametes and fission of the gametes. In generally, algae propagate their offspring generation by three methods: vegetative reproduction, asexual mode of reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Sexual mode of reproduction. Sexual mode of the reproduction, I call it is a more advanced. Why it is a more advanced? For example, in the time period is a 1900, 1950 and 2020. So there is a algae growth, the plant body algae growth. The algae growth is influenced by the many factors. The factors may be biotic factors or abiotic factors. The time being has changed. The algae need to be adapted to the local conditions. But what about vegetative? Vegetative and asexual mode of the reproduction means what are the mother plant have? The same characters are transferred to the daughter generation or offspring generation. No new character, so it cannot adjust to the local conditions. Coming to the sexual mode of the reproduction, gametes are formed, male gamete formed and female gametes. Gametes are fused, zygote formation takes place, recombination takes place. So the offspring generation have a new character. So the new character of the algae can adjust to local conditions. So it is an advanced section. The sexual reproduction can be by three methods. Isogamous condition, isogamous or isogamy. Example as per NCERT, Chlamydomonas is example. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular individual. Chlamydomonas. And Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a multicellular filamentous unbranched structure. These are the common examples. Let me write about the gamete. For example, Chlamydomonas, it has gametes, plus strain gametes. Plus strains are considered as a male gamete. Minus strain considered as a female gamete. So plus strain gametes have Chlamydomonas is a Chlamydomonas. So it has a two placella. And minus strain female gamete also two placella. As they have placella, they are a motile nature. Okay. What about the size? So physiologically, it is a morphologically means in case of the size and shape. So both are same size structure. So both are a motile. So which is a similar nature. Similar. What about the physiological character? Physiologically means in case of respiration or a photosynthesis or other metabolic reactions in their body. So what about physiologically? Physiologically, they are similar or not? No, it is a male gamete to nucleus there. So different genome. So we consider these are a dissimilar structure. Physiologically, these are dissimilar. Yes. But both are a motile. Just let me write about the motile nature. Spirogyra gamete is a male gamete and female gamete. No placella, so they are non-motile nature. Non-motile. But both are similar. So similar. And what about physiologically? It is a male, it is a female, so they are a dissimilar nature. Dissimilar. So let me write it is also similar in the same color. So non-motile, similar, dissimilar. So let me explain about how Chlamydomonas, the fusion of the both is isogamete to isogamete. Both two isogametes are fused that produce about the zygote. So it is called isogamous or isogamy. So basically, when you study about the algae regarding the reproductive unit, it may condition is homothallic condition. Homothallic. Homothallic means the same thallus that have both male and female reproductive units. So basically it called as a bisexual individual. It may heterothallic condition also. Heterothallic. Heterothallic is a unisexual condition. Unisexual. Unisexual means a male thallus and female thallus individual will be separate. Male one produce about the male gamete, female one produce about the female gamete. So regularly this isogamous, the gametes which are produced from the heterothallic condition that are going to fuse in the isogamy. So under favorable condition, under unfavorable condition, unfavorable condition, I use different strains of the Chlamydomonas. So this is a Chlamydomonas plus strain. Plus strain is a male thallus, minus strain is nothing but a female individual. Chlamydomonas general structure we know. This is a Chlamydomonas structure. This part is an anterior part. At the anterior part there are two placella and two contractile vacuole to regulate osmotic regulation. And as it is a photosynthetic, it has about the cup-shaped chloroplast. The chloroplast having pyrenoid structure and the nucleus and the vacuoles and eye spot or light sensitive unit will be present. The same negative strain, minus strain also Chlamydomonas. So same structures, what it has, the same chloroplast or everything will be present in the same. Yes. But these are unfavorable condition, yes. In the next case, the placella are discarded. Placella also discarded. So the Chlamydomonas cell wall having of two membranes. Inner membrane is a cellulose, outer one is a pectin substances. So I didn't write the outer one. This is a outer cell wall. The Chlamydomonas structure. The protoplasm, whenever it discarded the placella, the protoplasm in the cell under the division of the mitosis, it produces about the 2 units like 2 units. Again under the division of the mitosis, it produce the 4 protoplasts like 1, 2, 3 and 4. While the protoplasts are coming out, the mother cell wall is a breaks, they develops about the placella as well as cell wall formation, they comes out. So the same diagram is whenever the juice spores are like a juice spore like a structures, but not a these are juice spores, these are a gametes. So these gametes that are releases out. So all gametes are haploid condition. Why haploid condition? Mother individual is a haploid one. Mother individual is a haploid one. Mitosis division is a produces, but there is no change in the DNA content. Yes. So these are a haploid male gametes. Male gametes are haploid condition. The same thing is female gametes also. In the female gametes, Chlamydomonas, whenever these are coming out, the cell wall is a breaks and these are a female gametes. The female gametes also haploid condition, N condition. So you write female gametes. Yes. But what about the fusion of the male and female gametes? Let me explain about this. Is the male. Yes, I write about the male. It has a 2 placella. What about the female? Female one comes close to the anterior part. Yes, this is the female one. It is a plus strain. It is a minus strain. But both are fused at anterior part. In the next case, the place is getting dissolved. So the cytoplasm of the protoplasm of the both two cells as well as a nuclei of the both two cells are going to fuse. So that is a part nuclei fused. Karyogamy, protoplast fused is plasmogamy takes place. So that is the reason one This structure is a formed. This is a quadriplazellate. Quadriplazellate zygote is a formed. Both two nuclei, male nuclei and female nuclei are going to fused. So this is quadriplazellate. Quadriplazellate zygote formed. Zygote, which is a diploid condition. Yes. Up to here all are haploid condition. The diploid condition of the, as it is having of the placenta, it can motile some time in water, and it gets a rest and round off and produce zygote. The zygote that having of the a protective layer outside. So this is the nucleus zygote. The zygote of the algae is called zygospore. Zygospore. The zygospore also diploid condition. Under the favorable condition, the zygospore by the meiosis division, it germinate, it produce about the 4 haploid zoospores. Under the meiosis division, it produce about the 4 zoospores, like 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 zoospores that produce about the new plant. So this is a common method in the Chlamydomonas. Coming to the Spirogyra. So let me explain the Spirogyra diagram here, student. Okay. The Spirogyra is the structure of the Spirogyra. Cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, all the nucleated tubular structure of cylindrical structure of the cells are present. Spirogyra is a filamentous forms of structure, multi-celled filamentous forms of the Spirogyra. So you see, this is cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. They are a cylinder-like structure. The cell, it consists of the chloroplast. The chloroplast is a ribbon-shaped chloroplast. And all other pyrenoids, so nucleus and vacuole, everything will be present here. But in Spirogyra, sexual mode of reproduction is called as a conjugation process. Conjugation. The conjugation will be completed by 2 methods: scalariform conjugation, lateral conjugation. In the lateral, direct conjugation, indirect conjugation. Now I am going to explain about direct conjugation. In the direct conjugation, one of the cell, yes, this is the cell. This is the cell that act as a male gametangium. Below the male gametangium, this is the cell. It was a swollen condition. It was expanded comparing to the male gametangium. This is a female gametangium. Female gametangium. Female gametangium. Yes, the male gametangium that produce about the male gametes. The content of the male gamete, that is delivered to the female gametangium by a small hole in the septum. This is called as a septum. Through the septum, by a small hole, small pore, the content of the male gamete is discharged into the female gametangium. In the female gametangium, egg cell is present. The egg cell is fertilized with male gamete. So due to that, the structure develops into the zygote formation takes place. This is called zygote. Simply is called as a zygospore. The zygospore is a diploid condition. The diploid condition of the zygospore, it produced by the meiosis division. Meiosis division, 4 nuclei are formed. 4 nuclei, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, 3 are disintegrated. 1 nucleus is present. It is covered by the cell. This is going to new plant body. So it is in the Spirogyra. Now I will go for continuation. Is a anisogamous. So I want to wipe this. Right. Anisogamous condition. Second method is an isogamous or anisogamy. In the anisogamy, examples are in NCERT textbook Chlamydomonas, many species of the Chlamydomonas, some species of the Chlamydomonas. What is the some species? Example, Chlamydomonas brani, B-R-A-U-N-I, brani, in which the one of the male gamete, I call it is a male. Let me write about the male. One of the male gamete is a smaller unit, so called as a microgamete. Another one is a larger unit, is a macrogamete. This is a female one, is a macro. So both are a motile. So let me write both are a motile. But what about the morphologically? Morphologically both are same or different. So both are different. So called dissimilar nature. Dissimilar. And common one. This is a common one. Is a physiologically it is a male one or female one. So physiologically is a common dissimilar. Dissimilar structure. It is also dissimilar structure. How micro, how macro? Same, for example, plus strain or minus strain. Plus strain that produce. Let me write about it. Plus strain produce microgamete. Minus strain produce macrogamete. So both micro and macro are fused, zygotes are formed. Zygote is again under the meiosis division, while germination process takes place, is a common phenomena. So why we call as anisogamy? Both are not as same. It is not a similar. Both are different in size. And going to the oogamous condition. Oogamous or oogamy. Example is Volvox is a best example. Fucus and Chara is also. Volvox, Chara belongs to the Chlorophyceae. Fucus is a Phaeophyceae. Here is a Chlorophyceae, and Spirogyra also Chlorophyceae. Chlamydomonas also Chlorophyceae class. So these are common examples. Example 1, 2, 3. So what about the gametes? How they are fused? Let me write. These are a dissimilar or not. So Volvox is one of the male gamete. For example, male gamete is a smaller one. Female gamete is a larger one, is a non-motile. Both are motile. These are motile, both motile. Both conditions motile. Coming to here it is a motile nature. Motile to mobile, and which is a non-motile. Non-motile, large in the size, small in the size. It is a active, it is a passive condition. Okay. The fusion of both two is represents about the oogamous condition. In the oogamous condition, both are similar in the size. No. So this is a dissimilar condition. Dissimilar. What about the physiologically means all are dissimilar. Dissimilar. So let me explain about how the Volvox sexual mode of the reproduction takes place. Yes. So how the Chlamydomonas has all cell organelle in their body, the same structures will be present in the Volvox also. So Volvox having of the contractile vacuoles, chloroplast, light sensitive unit is a ice spot, pyrenoids are everything is there in the Volvox. But in the Volvox, the individuals have a colony or colonial form. So it is a spherical form. This is the structure of the Volvox. So in which you see this is the Volvox cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, cell 5, cell 6, cell 7 and so on. These are number of the cells. each colony having of thousands of the cell, but the number of the cells in the colony is varies based on the species. But all the cells that having of the placella, two placella are present. Yes, placella which are present. But the local region which consists of the mucilage tissue, which is a mucilage substance, mucilage, all that are connected by the plasma desmata units. This is a one colony. This kind of the wall works, how it produces the sexual mode of reproduction. For example, this is the clustine or a male one, which is a female one. So male one, let me write about the cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, cell 5 and so on. And female one also cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, cell 5 and so on. So like these are the colony in which so these cells, some of the cells that act as a reproductive cells in the vegetative part, few cells act as a reproductive cells that produce about gametangium. It is a male gametangium. Male gametangium. The male gametangium, the content in the male gametangium means it is a protoplast. It is a divided and produce a numerous cells like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like the number is around 16 to 512 cells are formed, all male gametes. These are male gametes. Male gametes. Yes. Coming to the female unit also, this is the one of the cell in the vegetative part act as a reproductive unit, that is also produce female gametangium. Female gametangium having of the egg cell. Egg cell is a haploid condition. This is also male gamete, also haploid condition. The male gametes that comes out and through the mucilage layer, it allow into the female gametangium. Yes, this is a male gametangium. Two placella. Now the male gametangium fertilized with a egg cell, resulting zygote is a formed. Zygote is a diploid condition is a formed. The zygote under the meiosis division. It produces juice spores, but out of 4, one will be active or one will be survive. So one juice spore is formed. The one juice spore that produce into the one juice spore under the mitosis division, number of the divisions, one juice spore produce about the colony. This is the mechanism takes place, student. Isogamous condition, anisogamous condition, oogamous condition. In the as per the NCERT, chlorophycy, phaeophycy, rhodophycy. Chlorophycy, which category of the reproduction takes place in the chlorophycy? Isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Phaeophycy also same, isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. And rhodophycy, like a red algae, it proceeds about the oogamous condition. Keep watching, students. Thank you.